Hello students. Today we are going to learn Standard 6 Subject Geography Lesson number 4 Part 2. The name of the lesson Weather and Climate. So students, in that weather and climate, first we have to learn what is the meaning of weather. Weather is the daily state of the atmosphere or air in any given place. Climate is the average of weather conditions in an area over a long period. The weather is important to people. It affects their comfort, their food supply, and even their safety. So according to the definition of weather, we have some types of weather. Types of weather include sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, and snowy. One of the most significant factors that affects weather is air masses. Air masses cause warm, cold, stationary, and cold fronts. So students, this was the types of weather. Now next part is climate. There also we have to see what is the meaning of climate. Climate means the usual condition of the temperature, humidity, atmospheric pressure, wind, rainfall, and other meteorological elements in an area of the Earth's surface for a long time. In simple terms, climate is the average condition for about 30 years. So students, now you knows what is the meaning of weather and climate. Now we have to understand the difference between weather and climate. Weather in short-term variation in atmosphere. Example, weather was good yesterday. Next, climate, weather condition over a long period. Example, climate change has become a burning issue worldwide. So this was the basic difference. Now in detail I will tell the difference between weather and climate. First, climate, weather pattern of a particular place over a long period. And weather, short-term conditions of the atmosphere in a particular place. Second, about weather, measured over a long period of time. And second it was climate. Now second about weather, measured over a short period of time. Third for climate, affected by the climate system as well as altitude and latitude. For weather, affected by temperature, air pressure and moisture, etc. Now last for climate, forecasted by collective weather statistics over a long period of time, and for weather, forecasted by collecting meteorological data. So students, I hope now you understood. Thank you.